How to switch position of two items in a Python list. I haven't been able to find a good solution for this problem on the net, probably because switch, position, list and Python are all such overloaded words. It's rather simple. I have this list. I'd like to switch position of password 2 and password 1 not knowing their exact position, only that they're right next to one another and password 2 is first. I've accomplished this with some rather long-winded list subscripting, but I wondered it's possible to come up with something a bit more elegant.
The simple Python swap looks like this. Now all you need to do is figure what I is, and that can easily be done with index.
Given your specs, I'd use slice assignment. The right-hand side of the slice assignment is a reverse slice and could also be spelled. If you find that more readable, as many would.
How can it ever be longer than? That's just a plain swap using temporary storage.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.